Hi, this video is going to cover our inventory product import. From the menu, click on Inventory, click Warehouses, click on the warehouse name you want to start the import for. There'll be a note up top stating you currently have no products in this warehouse. Visit your warehouse settings from this URL or go to the menu, click on Warehouse Settings. You'll now be on this import page to start your import process. Take note that the process is only available while you have no products in this warehouse. Once you've added products to the warehouse, either by receiving through a PO, you've accepted a transfer, or you use this import process, you're no longer going to have the option to start the import process. Proceeding to start the import process, we have 4 easy steps to get everything finalized and into your inventory warehouse. Following step number 1, you will set up and select your products. 4 different types you can configure products as: do not inventory, bulk, serial, and lot. All of your products should mostly be between bulk and serial. Once that type has been set, it can never be changed, so be sure to set the type properly. If there was an error on setup, you will have to delete that product out of products and reconfigure that product again and pull it back in through a PO. So scrolling down, you're going to see all of your products from your product database. We have on our list 374 total entries. We'll just go ahead and show the first 10. So keep in mind what you're seeing here. This is again the entire product database. You only want to carry over the products into step 2 of what you have physically on hand in your warehouse. So we'll go ahead and send over to step 2 the items that are ready configured. We have a bulk and 2 serial TVs. So this bulk item we'll go ahead and highlight by holding Control. The other TV, the 85, and then the 90. So you can see here we have 3 products highlighted. We're going to click Add Selected Products to Step 2. And you can see here, now this unlocked Step 2. Before proceeding into Step 2, you can choose to go back here and highlight whatever else additional that you need. If everything is done for setup, we'll go into Step 2 now. You can see here the product that we moved into Step 2. So again, at any point you can go back in between steps, but you can't proceed forward until you finish the step that you're currently on. So with this step instructions, this is for configuring your bins and your quantities. It has a notice here that 3 products are not configured properly. So we'll go ahead on the bulk product and set the bin along with the quantity. And then for the last 2 products, the serial products, we'll go ahead and select the bin along with the quantity. Now that all products are ready, you can see this now unlocked step number 3. It's now lit up in this blue color. We'll go ahead and click step 3. This is where you're now going to scan or enter in your serial numbers. So if you did have and carry over serialized products, as this states here, they will appear in this drop down. So we did have the 85 and then the 90. So we'll go ahead and select the 85. Again, if you have a scanner, feel free to scan that in, or you can do a manual entry just by typing right from your keyboard. Once you save, the product will be here down below, and you'll proceed with all of your serialized products on getting those configured. And keep in mind, everything does not have to be done all at once. You can come back at any point to finalize and finish what you're working on. So now you can see with those done, we don't have a drop down anymore. And step 4 is to finalize that import. Take note that once this is finalized, you will no longer be given the option to import products into this warehouse. As it states here, if you need to bring in additional products, click back to step 1 and follow through the process as needed. And after you do finalize, the only way to bring in products to that warehouse will be through a PO or transfer from another warehouse. Once you've reviewed all your products before you finalize into importing into that warehouse, you do have to understand with this notice, click this and click Finalize Import. Thank you for watching Inventory Product Import.